being in an accident can be a very scary thing, a very confusing thing. So what I'd like to talk to you a little bit about today is kind of what to do immediately following the accident. So you're in the accident, the cars are stopped there on the side of the road. First thing to do, make sure that you're okay. The airbags may have deployed, glass may have broken, items may be being thrown around. Make sure that you're okay to get out of the vehicle. So when you get out of the vehicle, take a look at your vehicle, take a look at the other vehicles. There may be front end damage, rear end damage, tire damage, leaking fluids, things like that. If it's safe to do so, and you can, move the vehicles. Next thing to do, call the police. A lot of times people forget that. You have adrenaline pumping, lots of things going through your mind. But it's important that the police come out so they can make a report. They can write down who was involved, what happened, injuries, witnesses, things like that. Of course, then the police will come to the scene, talk to the police. Tell them what happened, tell them about what you saw, tell them about what you did, tell them about your injuries. Tell them about everything you can recall about the accident, because again, we want that report to be accurate. Document the scene. And again, it's not just a function of taking a look around, but take pictures. Take a look and take pictures of your vehicle, take pictures of the other vehicle. If there are witnesses who stop, see if they'll give you their name and their telephone number, because all of that's important too. Kind of later on, we'll want to make sure we get their version of the story. Once that's done, once you've talked to the police and it's safe to do so, call your insurance company. You report the claim. Let them know what happened. Let them know, again, what you saw, what you did, who you saw there, witnesses, any injuries you had. Tell them your side of the story. And then the most important thing, once you're kind of done at the scene and you've done all that, take care of yourself. Again, the adrenaline is going to be pumping. It's going to be like you just played in a basketball game. But eventually your body's going to calm down and you might feel stiff or sore. You might have a shooting pain. The most important thing to do is get looked at. And whether that's the emergency room that day or urgent care or your primary care doctor in a couple days, make sure you get looked at. Let the doctor know. Tell him or her exactly how you're feeling, and they can help you decide whether or not you need additional treatment. It could be physical therapy, could be any number of those things. But really, we want to make sure that you feel okay and that you get all the treatment that you need.